Welcome to our roundup of the best metal detector options available on AliExpress. Whether you are a hobbyist, a beginner treasure hunter, or someone searching for a professional-grade tool for relics, coins, or gold, this list is crafted to help you choose the most reliable detector for your next adventure. We'll walk you through key details like sensitivity, detection depth, discrimination modes, coil performance, and ease of operation, so that you can confidently decide which option fits your treasure hunting style. All product links are waiting for you in the description below, ready to help you get the best deals. Let's dive in and find the perfect metal detector for your treasure hunting journey. The first on the list is the Techlung GT3028. The GT3028 is a versatile underground detector built for hobbyists who want strong detection depth, multiple discrimination modes, and high sensitivity without spending too much. This model uses an improved search coil that allows you to identify coins and medium-sized objects buried up to impressive depths, especially in open field environments. Thanks to its adjustable frequency settings, it filters out unwanted metals effectively, reducing false alarms. The display is simple and intuitive, giving users real-time information such as signal strength, target ID, and battery level. Even beginners will find it easy to learn, with clear audio tones that differentiate between ferrous and non-ferrous metals. Overall, the Techlung GT3028 stands out as a budget-friendly and surprisingly capable detector, offering excellent performance for casual treasure hunters who want a solid balance of depth, sensitivity, and ease of use. Next up is the Treasure Hunter GX850. The GX850 is known for offering impressive value with precise target identification, large waterproof coil, and enhanced sensitivity boost mode. Designed for outdoor exploration, this model performs extremely well in challenging soil conditions, including mineral-rich areas where cheaper detectors struggle. The waterproof coil allows you to detect near rivers, beaches, and shallow water without worrying about damage. Its fast recovery speed helps distinguish between closely spaced objects, ensuring you do not miss valuable finds in cluttered areas. The display provides clear digital readings, letting you know what type of metal you are detecting before you dig, reducing wasted effort. Build quality is also strong, with a reinforced stem and comfortable grip suitable for longer sessions. Overall, the Treasure Hunter GX850 is ideal for explorers who want a more accurate, dependable detector that performs well across different terrains and detection scenarios. Next, we have the MD1008A. This compact detector is perfect for beginners or families who want lightweight design, simple controls, and surprisingly strong sensitivity for its size. The MD1008A may look small, but its detection capability is impressive for coins, jewelry, and small relics at shallow to moderate depths. The control interface is straightforward, making it easy for newcomers to understand detection sounds and learn basic treasure hunting techniques. Its adjustable stem allows children to participate while still providing comfortable height for adults. The coil is waterproof, so it is suitable for wet sand and light water exploration. Its responsiveness is quick, making it fun and engaging for younger hunters who want instant feedback from their search. Overall, the MD1008A is a fantastic beginner-friendly detector that encourages learning the hobby while still delivering real results in the field. Next up is the Vever metal detector. Vever's model is known for combining professional-grade features like deep detection capability, advanced discrimination settings, and a large LCD interface at a price far lower than most big brands. The powerful search coil offers impressive depth, especially when scanning for medium to large buried items. Its discrimination system is highly adjustable, giving you the flexibility to sort out trash metals and focus on valuable targets like silver, gold, and copper. The LCD screen displays everything from target ID to battery level to signal clarity, making your search more informed and efficient. The detector is built with durability in mind, featuring a sturdy shaft and ergonomic armrest that reduce fatigue during long hunts. Overall, the Vever metal detector is perfect for users who want near-professional performance without paying premium prices, offering reliability, depth, and smart controls in one strong package. The last one on our list is the GTX 5030H. The GTX 5030H is an underground detector built for serious searchers who want maximum detection range, advanced target ID, and high-precision pinpointing. With its enhanced detection circuitry, this detector can locate deeper objects with improved accuracy, especially in outdoor environments where relics and larger metals are commonly found. The large search coil improves coverage, helping you scan open ground quickly and efficiently. Its digital target identification system offers excellent clarity, allowing you to understand exactly what type of metal you may have found before digging. Sensitivity levels are adjustable, giving you full control depending on your terrain and search type. Overall, the GTX 5030H delivers the most balanced combination of depth, accuracy, and comfort, making it a top choice for treasure hunters who want strong performance without complications. So, that's it for the best metal detectors available right now on AliExpress. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a like and subscribe for more helpful guides just like this one. All product links are in the description below. Thanks for watching. And until next time, happy treasure hunting.